Welcome to Ooma Office. One of the most powerful features of Ooma Office is its ability to integrate with popular CRMs, like Freshdesk. To set up this integration, go to the Freshdesk portal and navigate to the Freshdesk Marketplace. Click the Apps button, then choose Marketplace Apps from the drop-down menu. Once there, use the search bar to look up the Ooma Office app. Once you're on the apps page, click Install to start the installation process. Then you'll be taken to its configuration page. As you can see, the Freshdesk API and Freshdesk domain fields are already pre-filled. You can update them now or adjust them later after installation. The only field you need to configure at this point is telephone number search format. Just select your preferred format from the drop-down menu, then click Install to continue. After the app is installed, you'll be redirected to the Manage Apps page, where you can update the app's settings in case anything was entered incorrectly during the initial setup. To confirm the Ooma Office app was installed successfully, return to the dashboard page in the Freshdesk portal. After a quick page reload, you should see a new phone handset icon appear in the left-hand vertical menu. Click this icon and the Ooma Office widget will appear. Then click the Login button and enter your Ooma Office credentials to continue. Once logged in, the widget will close automatically. To reopen it, simply click again on the phone handset icon in the left-hand panel of the page. As you can see, you now have access to your call history through Ooma Office, confirming that the integration has been successfully set up. Thanks for watching.